Welcome to Bacchanal Buffet, Caesar's Palace legendary all-you-can-eat experience that redefined the Las Vegas buffet. So even with the reservation, you have to go online until you reach the base station. It opened in 2012 after a $17 million makeover. According to their website, it blends fine dining quality with over 250 dishes from around the world and all freshly prepared by on-site chefs. Prices ranges from about $45 to $90 for dinner and around $35 to $65 for brunch or lunch. Nevada locals often score up to 25% off discount with valid ID. We got the weekday dinner, which is $86.99, but we also got the Nevada local discount. After you reach your chair, there's an allotted time when you can start, because the total minutes you have to be here at the buffet is 90 minutes. Let's start with the Italian section, where you can order your own pasta. Now we have meatballs, salmon, couple of pizzas. All meat. Try the meatballs. These ones are like salads. Guess it's also semi-Italian because they have these cheeses and cutleries that usually go with wines. And also a couple of breads and more salads.
Apple mo ba yung telepono mo? Nagpalit na? Apple ay, iPhone 12. Kahit na, wala pa.
Now we're gonna try out the Chinese cuisine section. So we got some fried rice, shrimp siomai, pork siomai, chicken teriyaki, honey walnut shrimp, and some barbecue pork. Red pork is actually good. Beef with the veggies. Now to the small Filipino cuisine section, which they have barbecues, lumpia, lechon, which is most likely liempo, This is the small section for pokis, which is Hawaiian and Japanese. Now for our last step, for now, it's the Japanese section, which is mostly sushis, different versions of the sushi, and sashimi. So this is a mix of Filipino and Japanese because you have the barbecue here, and you have a couple of sushis, poke, and a lechon, and the kimchi, which is Korean. It's actually soft.
Nabubusog na nga ako, hindi pa ako nakakarating sa kalahati eh.
So let's go to the Mexican cuisine, and they have more choices. Ceviche, stroganoff, so now we're eating Mexican food with tacos al pastor. Alin? The corn on the cob, chicharrones, and shrimp slider. They have a small vegan section here. I think this is the American food section. There are way more choices here. Actually, the seafoods on the glass cases are not the real food, they are displays. These are the dishes, but I'm full, so we're not gonna eat any of this. They have the plastic steps birthday, but I didn't get one because it's made to order. Sa Italian. So we finally made it to the end. We're gonna try out the dessert section. And this is the one that I'm most excited about. Sweet potato tart. Ice cream tart, cheesecake.
Sugarless.
Wow.
Creme brulee. Creme brulee. Tiramisu. Chocolate something.
No fruits. Fruits.
Over there. Watermelon. Pineapple.
So we're now down to the dessert. We have Thai tea, mango ice cream, the pudding, cheese, chocolate.
Parang frame mo texture. Pagkakain. Susupahan mo lahat ng nasa baba ng
Hey, how many stars?
One.
One?
2.5.
2.5.
Not fresh. cream was cold.
Now worth the price. I'll be a little bit nicer. I'll give them 3.0. Because the sections are organized, and I like the dessert, but just like what they said, the food is mediocre. And we have to do a reservation, but we still have to go in line for that. And lastly, it's kind of expensive and it's too much. Alright, that's it for Bacchanal Buffet. Until next time, Travelers Explore History. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe!
Please comment.
And don't forget to share.